Division of Interventional Pulmonology, Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram. A 56-year-old male patient had a non-small carcinoma of the right lung and underwent right pneumonectomy. He developed empyema with persistent air leaks from the bronchial stump due to the development of a bronchopleural fistula. He failed to respond to various combinations of antibiotics and chest tube drainage. An open-window thoracostomy was done. A CT thorax showed a fistula involving the right main bronchus. The bronchopleural fistula involving the right main bronchial pneumonectomy stump was 5 by 8 mm in size. Given the large size of the BPF, we chose to place an AmplatzerTM VSD Occluder Device, which is a self-expanding double-sided mushroom umbrella-shaped woven from nickel titanium alloy wires with a slender waist in the middle. A flexible bronchoscopy revealed a smooth-walled bronchopleural fistula of 5 by 8 mm involving the pneumonectomy stump of the right main bronchus. The Amplatzer VSD Occluder Device was loaded in Amplatzer delivery system. The delivery sheath of 7F in size was not compatible with the working channel of the flexible bronchoscope. Hence, a snare passed through the working channel of the bronchoscope was used to grasp the distal end of the delivery sheath, already loaded with the Amplatzer VSD device to anchor the device parallel to the bronchoscope. The bronchoscope was passed through the oral route while anchoring the AD-loaded delivery sheath parallel to it using the snare to hold the distal end of the sheath at the tip of the bronchoscope. The bronchoscope along with the delivery sheath was maneuvered via the trachea into the right main bronchial stump to introduce the AD-loaded delivery sheath in the bronchopleural fistula. The snare was advanced further to railroad the AD-loaded delivery sheath into the BPF. Once the sheath was introduced in the BPF, the snare was disengaged from the delivery sheath and removed from the bronchoscope. The AD delivery sheath was pulled up to the proximal level of fistula. The AD device was released from the sheath. The attached cable was unscrewed from the AD device after ensuring its appropriate deployment. The Amplatzer VSD Occluder Device completely sealed the fistula proximally in the right bronchial stump. The bronchoscope was then passed through the open thoracotomy window into the thoracic cavity to ensure that the AD is appropriately deployed to effectively seal off the BPF. This is the first Indian report of the use of Amplatzer VSD Occluder Device for the management of a large bronchopleural fistula using an innovative technique published in Lung India.